Hello guys, I'm filming a video of proof right now. These kids just disputed us for absolutely no reason. Um, First off, let's check that time. You see it's 2:17. The match was scheduled for 2:10 Eastern Standard Time. And as you can see, I messaged these kids, both of them, for whatever. Friend request, friend request sent in and add me and shit. And this guy I've been messaging with, this friend request sent never added me. He's like, I said join UMG. He's like, we wanted S&D, y'all win. We forfeit. Mistakes were made. So I guess he's trying to say that he's forfeits the match because he wanted to play S&D because he accepted my 1v1 uplink match, as you can see. And yeah, see, I sent them both friend requests, as we can see. See, friend request sent. Still in the admin stuff. And I'm also sending this game right now. See, we got the match all ready to go. Join enabled, see what I mean? These kids already disputed us. That's why I'm making this proof now and not 15 minutes after. They already disputed this match for absolutely no reason at all. I don't know what they did. But yeah, as you can see, I was trying to message these kids, trying to get in contact. This kid said he forfeited, so like I guess I don't know what to do. So I just make this video, and as you can see, it's on a friend request. He told me we want an S&D, I'll win with forfeit, So thank you for your time in this manner, and thank you.